Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy of Just Do Me, and today I've got a hair maintenance, wig maintenance type of video for you guys. I want to show you guys how I brought my westkiss wig back to life. So the hair that I'm currently wearing came jet black. It's from westkiss hair, 24 inches. It came straight, and before I even had a chance to wear it, it was super shiny, super sleek. I took it to a salon in Nigeria to get bleached. I know they did at least 2 chemical bleaches to it to get the level of lift it got to, but honestly when they gave me back the hair, it was dry, it was looking quite damaged. I don't know what products they use, but basically I just didn't get back what I expected. So I've had the hair now for 2 weeks, and I just always had it in the back of my mind that I was going to do a really nice treatment on it. So I thought I'd show you guys how to restore damaged and dried hair. But if you're looking for quality hair, definitely check out westkiss hair, because the fact that they've done, you know, such a bad job and I was still able to rejuvenate the hair back to the state it currently is a testament. So the hair that I'm wearing will be linked in my description box along with some money off for you guys. Keep watching and you'll see what I did to my westkiss wig to make it the way that it currently is, where it's looking good and I'm feeling good. Do you enjoy?
Cause your time no be my time. Yeah, it's your girl Jane Money. Turn your dark to light. Shining, they don't wanna see you shining. Bright like a diamond. You're the hater when they see a nigga styling. Woo. Trying, gotta keep trying. See, it's all in the grinding. Yeah, it's all in the timing. Yeah, now, who's hot, who's not? Tell me who rock, who sell out the stores. You tell me who flop, my tunes they blew up. No new friends, we brought the crew up. Starting real hard cause life is too short. Yeah, shout out to Too Short. Living my life, I'm moving through blocks and running through walls and never give up. Through these walls, we gon' have to move on. No retreat, no surrender. I got the energy, power on me. We're gonna take me places. This life not the best. If you live and think I'm twice, baby, you know they don't. You will live your life. My child, give me, cause your time no be my time. Oh, but what you darling for? Turn your dark to light. There'll be storms, there'll be trials, yeah they do come. Gotta stay strong though the week's long. Gotta play coach, keep the team on. When you witching for the stars, you ain't willing to chill. Go double on the hustle cause the struggle is real. Young God, tell me how do you feel? When you're out in the field, the screw well in the field. Vulture, settle in, and I'm willing to kill. The cold nights nearly caught me a chill. It was hard to keep on, I'm just keeping it real. But a couple real ones, they gonna know how to feel. Yeah, we hit the motorbikes, you know, the great ones, fake ones, snake ones, take one. Put your shades on, blowing on the...
So guys, I wanted to show you. Can you see that? This is the hair after the treatment. Now, there were 2 options that you could have done, that I could have done. I could have done a 24-hour leave-in treatment and just leave the hair with the treatment in it for 24 hours till it dried up. But what I ended up doing, because I'm actually going out tonight, hence the beat face, what I ended up doing is blow drying the treatment in. Heat opens up the cuticles, it helps with absorption of the product. So yeah, I left it by itself for about 3 hours and then I blow dried it and really helped the wig take in, you know, the mask and the treatment. It is so soft, so smooth. And then once I blow dried it, I curled it and then I put an oil in it. But it just helped to smoothen the hair and add a little bit of shine. You guys can see just how amazing that looks compared to what it looked like at the start. It's just bomb. The curls came out really good. I'm super happy with it. Don't forget, you guys can check out this wig in its natural form from westkiss hair, and if you really want to know how to dye it and get this color, I will link a video where I talked about the products that I use when I dye my hair, because that stops any damage. I'm Amy Just Do Me. We're looking good. Oh, I'm so happy. Going to see number 2. Don't worry, like, we're not back together after our last fight or anything, but I'm just gonna have a nice talk since I'm back from Nigeria. We're feeling good. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Catch you in the next one.